Today I will show you Seadamp Steel and we will see how to install it correctly. Seadamp Steel is the innovative mirroring shock absorber that, in addition to being beautiful and entirely made in Italy, it literally stops the sea, giving you the opportunity to fully enjoy your boat without jolts and strain for a never experienced mirroring safety. I will also show you how to keep them in perfect efficiency, and we will test them in different types of mirroring and weather conditions. But first of all, what is Seadamp Steel? Seadamp Steel is the hydraulic boat shock absorber that ensures a stable, safe and silent mirroring. The stainless steel outer body gives an attractive design, but as well protects it, ensuring maximum strength, and can also be immersed in the sea. Seadamp Steel absorbs and dampens the power of wind and waves thanks to the patented internal system, which is immersed in a 100% biodegradable hydraulic fluid. Seadamp Steel is available in 5 different models for displacements up to 55 tons. To choose the right Seadamp Steel, you must consider the maximum load weight. This damping action, given by the patented hydraulic system, guarantees a silent and jolt-free mirroring even with the most demanding mirroring conditions. In addition, the mirroring line will wear less and cleats damages or loosening will be avoided. Seadamp Steel guarantees minimal maintenance and ensures a longer life compared to current systems, even if it is immersed in seawater. Now that we've seen what Seadamp Steel is, let's move on to create the mirroring line. Installing Seadamp correctly is very simple. We will need 4 shackles with a diameter of 16mm with a breaking load of at least 10 tons each, rigorously in 316 stainless steel, and 4 ropes with a breaking load of at least 10 tons each, better if equipped with a thimble on one end. I remind you that Sears can provide the entire mirroring line. Connect the thimble of the rope to Seadamp Steel with the shackle, making sure to tighten the closure of the shackle with pliers and repeat the same operation on the other side. One mirroring line is ready, now we just have to create the second line in the same way. Seadamp has been designed so that even in case of major cause, the mirroring shock absorber will not collapse, always keeping the boat fixed to the mirroring. Anyway, to be safer, it is recommended to apply an additional small piece of rope or chain with 2 other shackles, joining the 2 lines in this way. Now we can simply secure our mirroring line from the dock's bollard to our boat. Remember that to work effectively, Seadamp Steel mirroring line must be well tensioned and not slack like a normal mirroring line. Now let's try to create a line that we can use as a shock absorber on the anchor chain. Preparing an anchor line with Seadamp is very simple. Prepare a rope equipped with a thimble and connect it to Seadamp Steel with a shackle. Fix the rope to the boat cleat. Attach a chain equipped with a carabiner to Seadamp Steel and secure the carabiner to the anchor chain. Drop a couple of meters of anchor chain to get Seadamp Steel in force, and there you go. Can you use Seadamp even if you sail and change ports often? Of course, yes, just keep your Seadamp Steel mirroring line already assembled in a locker. Once you arrive at the port, moor with a couple of normal mirroring lines, and once the boat has stopped, simply install your Seadamp Steel mirroring line and adjust the lines, remembering to always keep them fairly taut. In the next pictures, you will see the differences on mirroring stabilization with various weather conditions. For the first 3 years, Seadamp maintenance is practically zero. You will only have to remember to check the integrity of the outer body and clean the steel every 6 months with a non-aggressive liquid product. Never use abrasive or acid products. Always check every 6 months that the piston stroke starts a few millimeters from the cap and that by pulling it manually, the stem does not move freely even for a few millimeters. If you spend a lot of time on board of your boat, but also if you leave it alone for long periods, Seadamp is definitely the mooring shock absorber that creates the optimal conditions for perfect moorings. Seadamp knows the reliability of its products so much that it guarantees their operation for 3 years from the date of purchase. But if you want to take advantage of further benefits, you just have to register your shock absorbers on Seadamp's website using the serial number that you find on the thanks card inside the Seadamp box. Seadamp has created a Seadamp for each boat model with no tonnage limit. Maximum safety and comfort on board are certainly the two terms that best represent the advantages of Seadamp. I salute you and wish you great new moorings with your Seadamp Steel. Fair wind!